gonna give me a hug here. We're gonna go back and you're gonna drop back and you're gonna feel a little pressure. Great. Oh.
That was deep. That was...
Sometimes you just need a good hug.
Yeah, that's fantastic. Pretty exhausted, I'm tired. I've been at my job for about 24 years. I install medical equipment for a living for a global manufacturer. I've just put a beating on my body. Tension, constant tension throughout my back. I'm restless, I can't sleep very well. A couple hours at a time.
You're gonna drop down, you're gonna feel a little pressure. Oh good, it's already moving. Oh, that was clean.
Wow. I feel like I could take a little deeper breath. Yes, sir.
Give it a little roll and a bigger drop. Damn. Takes your breath away.
Wow.
Good.
Oh. Wow.
That was cool.
What a release.
Woo, look at that.
All right. Yeah, feels pretty good. I mean, feel free, feel loose.
How's that feel? Feel good?
Fantastic. Thank you so much. I appreciate you.